Hi and welcome to Feed the Rabbit, the Verb Edition. This is a speech therapy game you can use on any device that has internet activity and is ideal for teletherapy. So you can use this with your students to do speech therapy online, or you can use it in the classroom on an iPad. Now you can also assign it to your students for homework so that they can practice it during the week, and you can collect meaningful data very easily. So this is the Verb Edition, and it comes with a variety of common verbs, and this will let your student practice using and learning those verbs very easy. So we have three sections: learn, play, and practice. And when we play, we're going to be removing carrots, and underneath will be a hidden picture, and then we'll simply feed the carrot to the rabbit and it will disappear in his mouth. Now let's go ahead and look at the learn section first. This is where I'd recommend you start. So here we have the picture. This is the structure of every page. It has an image of a child doing something, and then underneath we have a three-word phrase. So we have he is talking. This would be great for students who are working on intelligibility or that ing sound or the Z sound. You can easily pick some articulation targets in here as well. So we have he is talking, and the verb is in red. Now to navigate, we have the arrows on either side of the picture, and this will take you back to the main page. So let's go ahead and look at a couple. We have he is thinking, he is running, he is walking, he is drinking, he is sweeping, he is building, he is climbing, he is cutting. Now you can also easily ask some comprehension questions here too. So if it said he is cutting, I could ask my student, what is he cutting? Or what is he using to cut? Or why do you think he is cutting? Okay, and now we have some of the she pronouns. So she is dancing. It's the same structure and should be really easy for your student to reproduce. Okay, so let's go over to this main page again. Let's do some practice. Now, this is going to make it a little bit more difficult for your student. You can choose a target to practice. Let's practice using he versus she. So we have a picture of the boy, and we want to use the pronoun he for him. So we would type in he is running, and you click submit, and it'll give that positive feedback. This also stores the data for you as a therapist or parent or teacher, and you can look at that later on your Boom Library account. So on this one, let's type in something incorrect, like we'll put in she. She is thinking. Oops, let's go back here. She is thinking, and hit submit, and it says incorrect. So we can do he is thinking. Okay, let's go back to this page here. We want to practice again, but we want to practice using is. Now, you can type in anything you want, but is going to be the only one that gives the correct feedback. And that should be pretty simple too, right? Every single page, your student just has to type in is, and then I would verbally have them say the sentence each time. He is thinking, and then just move through and do all of them. So let's go back and practice the verb plus ing. He is, what is he doing? He is, we know that he is drinking. And we can submit it, and we got that one right. So lots of things to practice here. If you want to go just to the game, you can click this one, and it'll take you back to the option to play. So here we have the play area, and it says feed the rabbit all the carrots. Talk about each picture that you find. We're just going to take the carrot, remove it, and place it in the bunny's mouth. Okay, and you can say she is washing, or you could just label the verb alone, or just label the pronoun alone. It's totally up to you. It's really, really easily adapted to whatever your student is working on. You could even do something like make up a silly story and sequence it. So the girl was sleeping, she woke up, and then she did some stretching before she went outside and gave her puppy a bath. Okay, this one could be she was playing with her doll before she went to dance, and then after dance she did some homework. Okay, so just some ideas. So that is the resource. You can always reference back to this video if you need any help with it, and I hope you get a lot out of it and have fun.